Princess Leanna Jade's channel. Today we're gonna do an aloe hair mask on her hair before we wash it out. So I just brushed her hair out and I'm gonna take it out and show you how long it is. It's crazy. It's a little dry, probably from some of the products that I'm using, but today we're just gonna go all natural and use some melted coconut oil. And this is the aloe vera plant. So this is what it looks like. You just chop it up, make it easier, and then you cut it in half, and then you just scoop out all of the aloe in there. And then I put it in a blender and it comes out kind of foamy like this, like more liquid form. Some people don't really like to blend it into liquid form, but I do because I'm gonna put it in a water bottle. So this is some of it now, and then I'm gonna add some coconut oil to this. And I think when you have a toddler who moves around a lot, the spray is just easier. Shake it up. Alright, so we're just gonna part it out into sections. I'll start at the top just so you guys can see how I do it. I've never done this to her hair before. It's my first time. But I've done this to my hair before, to my skin. It's really good. Very moisturizing. It's not always good to put like chemicals in his hair, so this is probably the best thing you can do. Especially to hair that gets dry. So we're going to start off by saturating the front of her hair and the ends. I'm just going to really put it all over on this thing. I'm just going to brush the ends out just so I can get it on every strand. It doesn't really have like a strong smell. So this is Leanna's hair, fully soaked in the aloe and coconut oil. The aloe is very hydrating. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a shower cap over it, let it hydrate. A lot of people don't really think that coconut oil is hydrating, and I'm one of those people. I think that coconut oil is a good sealer, so that's why I mixed it, because the aloe is what's going to hydrate it and the coconut oil is what's going to seal it and lock it in. So very gooey and wet. I didn't put any water. It's literally just aloe blended up into a liquid and then melted coconut oil. I melted it in the microwave and then mixed that together in one of these Just spray it all around. Make sure you get the scalp real good. So now we're gonna have her sit with like a cap, a shower cap, like a plastic cap over her head for like a few minutes, maybe like 30 minutes. And then we're gonna wash it all out. And it'll come out really shiny and soft. Okay, okay you guys, so this is the final look. We rinsed out the aloe and coconut oil. And we put some conditioner in it, brushed it out, dried it, and then I rinsed it out, and then we put more oils, hair oils, tea tree oil, and some other oils, and then a little bit of a leave-in conditioner. And look how shiny it is, and fluffy, and curly, and bouncy. So, everyone loves when her hair is super curly like this. Okay. If you like the way this came out, please give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye. Say bye, Lily.